Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're gonna see the top 3 affiliate website to make money online in 2020. Stay tuned for more. Okay guys, what do you expect from this video? This video is all about the top 3 website in the internet to make affiliate income guys, and it's available worldwide guys, no matter where are you from, and it's also legit website guys. You probably heard of this website or not. It's legitimate way to make money guys. And if you new here, this is online business entrepreneur YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment below guys. And without any further ado, let's go guys. The first website that we gonna see is called JVzoo.com guys. You probably heard of this website. This is also similar to affiliate website like a ClickBanks guys, and this is a high quality product in this guys. This is almost a good amount of product. You can make some good amount of money with this JVzoo guys, because there is lots of product available in JVzoo. You can just pick the product and get some good amount of money with this and make some good amount of money with this guys, and it's easy money guys. Come over this website JVzoo.com, click free sign up guys, or click begin your journey guys. It automatically take you to the sign up page where you can put your email address, password and all the good stuff. Just register your address and put your email address guys. Just all the affiliate sites are require some amount, lots of amount of information from you guys, because they send you paid version of a affiliate offer guys, so they can have your identity and your authority guys. Then that's why they ask you some kind of a lot of information guys, and name and company and where are you from, something like that guys. So put your correct information and just get registered and you do some lots of money guys. And wait till end, I show some little trick to get free traffic guys, and it's the universal trick, just a free traffic. And you probably heard of this thing, but I show you guys, and you can make some good amount of sales with the free traffic source guys. Or you can put Facebook ad guys. It doesn't matter you use free or paid version, but it always helps you guys to make some good amount of money. Come JVzoo.com, click free sign up place, and if you also see marketplace, click on marketplace guys. It show how the products are look like and how much money you can make per sale guys, or per CPA network guys. I show another similar website to this. You can make some good amount of money. This 3 website guys, combine 3 website and you can make some good amount of money with this guys. And this type of business, may you will invest your money or not guys. If you had a money, invest with this, go to paid version that pay you good amount of money in fast guys. And if you don't have a money, just wait till end guys. I show some of the free sources of website. You can drive traffic freely guys, and just to get some sales and build some capital, and go to Facebook ads and just to put some ads and get tons of money this guys. That's all easy method. This is the marketplace of JVzoo guys. There is lots of physical product as well as a software product guys, just to promote and get paid guys. And we gonna see the next website is called similar to Warrior Plus guys. Probably think is Warrior Plus is also similar to ClickBank guys. Your profit is your business guys. Warrior Plus, you see many videos about Warrior Plus. This is the best affiliate network you can start in 2020, and you can make some good amount of money this guys. And as I told you earlier, this is all available worldwide guys, no matter where you're from. Come to warriorplus.com and click sign up for free guys. So automatically take you to the sign up process. Just an easy process. You can just sign up, and as I told you earlier, just put some username and password and email address guys. And this is Warrior Plus only guys. They can ask you any lots of questions guys. Just username, email, password and something like where are you from and where have you been, and what's your birth date, something like that guys. It's not asking lots of things like JVzoo guys. And this is easy simple step. Just put a name and password and username and email, just to sign up and create an account guys, and pay within minute guys. And the next website we gonna see is called Max Bounty guys. You probably think it's Max Bounty. Max Bounty is high quality CPA network guys. It's not like any affiliate network. It's also affiliate network, but it's kind of affiliate network guys, where you can promote CP network. There is lots of CP network available, guys, and you can make some good amount of or lots of money with this max bounty, guys, because it's I don't know, guys, is because it's lots of way you can make money, guys. CP network, just get some email from your friends and family and you can make $2 per email, guys. That's a simple method you can just get, guys. Come over to maxbounty.com, click affiliates, guys, click affiliates. This automatically take you to this affiliates performance page, guys, and this is the page look like. Come over this website and read out what you can do and how you can do, guys. I don't waste your precious time. Just show the top 2 websites to get some free traffic and make some good amount of sales, guys. Watch till end for this, guys, for that, guys. And come over this, sign in, guys. And this max bounty is ask you some lots of question, guys, some lots of question. Come over this max bounty, it's ask you some lots of question, guys. Just click sign, not, guys, just come over this max bounty, guys. Wait for a second, guys, and click affiliate, guys, as I told earlier, and become an affiliate. Click this one, guys. It's automatically take you to the register page. It needs some lots of information, guys, and you just put your lots of information. I think some of the persons are not allowed by max bounty, guys, because they don't put the high quality information about you, guys, not any personal information, just where are you from and how is your business starting and how your business has been. That's something like that, guys, just to put your account and put your information and get some good amount of money, guys. If you like to sign in max bounty, at least you need some website, guys, because this company have a website, guys. This company ask you your website where you can promote, guys. Just to create a website with Bluehost, guys, and I already show how you can make money with Bluehost. If you don't, go to my YouTube channel and watch this video, guys. It's easy just to make some good amount of money, build some capital and invest on max bounty and make some lots of money, guys. Max bounty is way to make lots of money, guys, and you can easily earn up to $1,000, guys, just free, guys. Once you sign up, you're eligible to $1,000 performance bonus, guys. And if you want, click here and get some full detail, guys. Come over to max bounty, sign up, and in this description I leave all the link of this website, guys. If you don't want to search or type, guys, click the link. It's not any affiliate link, guys, just a link. Click the link and go to this website and sign up and make some good amount of money, because I need my subscriber to be success, guys. Go to and make some good amount of money with this, guys. And as I told earlier, you just put your lots of information, guys, security, contact address, experience, terms, and you must need your any of sort of website, guys. Any sort of website, just to create an website and honorable mention, guys. But this is top 3, guys. This is top 3 pick, and because it's a new and it's legitimate way to make money, guys, there is a lots of available, and I showed the honorable mention, guys. This is world popular ClickBank, guys. ClickBank, people are making millions with ClickBank, guys, and you also combine all the together and make some good amount of money with this, guys. Or I highly recommend max bounty, guys, because max bounty is high quality traffic and high quality products are available in max bounty, guys. Just to create a max bounty or also create a Warrior Plus, or also these 4 are high quality products, guys. Just to create account all these 4 and get some good product and sell those product to the customer, guys. It's easy money, just to sell those product to the customer, guys. And as I told earlier, I show the top 2 source of free source, guys, and the first is called Facebook, guys. You probably heard of Facebook group is make some good amount of money, guys. With Facebook group you can make some good amount of money with this Facebook group, guys. Just as I told you earlier, you can make some good amount of money with this Facebook group, guys. I just follow some subs for something. You can just type whatever you can name, guys. I just type make money online, guys. Just to type this one and go to group section. Just type it, guys, and wait for a second, it's coming. And go to all the way to the group section, guys. So automatically take you to this group section, and you can join as much as group you can, guys, because You can join, and there is lots of peoples are available, guys, and you can join and post your account, post your affiliate link. And first you need to friendship with other peoples in this group, guys, because some group does not allow you to post affiliate link in their group, guys. So just build a friendship with this group and some private messages, send them an affiliate offer in private messenger and get some good amount of sale, guys. And the next website we're gonna see, I think you probably heard of this website, is called reddit.com, guys. Reddit is the top source of free income, because there is lots of people are using Reddit in month, guys. So it's high quality traffic and you can make some good amount of sales with this and build some capital, guys. Just to go to Reddit and search whatever niche you pick on product and join some subreddit and get some good friendship with other peoples and get sales, guys. That's a simple method. Get some sales and do it whatever you want to do, guys. As I told you earlier, you can make some lots of money with this and get rich quick, guys. This is the affiliate offers and affiliate website I show you to make money in 2020, guys. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment below, guys, and I catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace.